Chip design is changing. For decades, we boosted speed by packing more transistors, from billions to trillions, nanometers to angstroms. But the next leap won't come from Moore's law alone. It requires new architectures, new workflows, and faster paths to silicon. Yet today, bold ideas get buried across disconnected tools and handoffs. As chips grow complex, the path to silicon becomes fragile. Even with AI, engineers still have to micromanage every step. That is not the future. Meet ChipAgents, end-to-end agentic AI solution for chip design. Specialized agents read specs, write tests, and close coverage, orchestrated by a single platform from spec to silicon. So engineers wake up to progress. Bugs solved, root causes found, and coverage closed. With trillions of transistors ahead, teams need AI workflows that scale with complexity. Imagine bolder, experiment faster, build better silicon.